made that deficit smaller from about 2.97% to about 2.85%. So we shrunk that, and that means that we have more disciplined spending. So that's one of the first things we have to look at in the economy, and you can see the numbers that we have up there. There's another problem that we have in this economy, which is the percentage of recurrent and the percentage of capital. Everybody in Nigeria wants us to spend more on capital because that means that we can invest in roads, we can invest in water supply, we can invest in railway and all those things that make the economy move. But for quite some time, our spending on our personnel, on our overheads has been increasing. The first time in 2006, by the time I left government, when I was first finance minister, our recurrent expenditure was 65% of the total expenditure. Then back now, some 6 years or so later, you find it is 74.4%. And one of the things that I pointed out is if we keep that trend going, it means we will have less and less and less to spend on roads. I mean, this is the first thing to understand, that desire for us to invest more in infrastructure can only happen if we moderate what we are spending on other aspects of our budget. So that's one of the things we've targeted, and we are going to deliver on that we will cut down the amount we are spending on overheads, on personnel, and those recurrent expenditures so that the country can put more and more on capital. So what have we done this year? Our objective is to try and reduce this recurrent spending within the medium term, the next 3 or 4 years, to bring it back down to the mid-60s, say like 65%. We're at 74 now. And we've already started on that road by cutting down in this budget the recurrent spending to 71%. So this is just the first year of doing that, and we're convinced that the more we go, the next year and the next, we'll be able to put more in capital. And what does that mean? That the capital vote has also increased by about 4 percentage points, and we are going to be spending almost 29% of our budget on capital, much more than we did last year. So this is a movement in the right direction, and it will enable us to invest more in roads, in rail, in water supply, and all those things, and education and health, all the things that Nigerians would like us to focus on and invest in. So those are two important points that I wanted to talk about.